Hello everyone. If you're thinking to learning Tailwind CSS but you don't want to go through the installation and configuration, um, Tailwind CSS has really great feature called Playground, and it's right here. If you go to the Playground, it will bring you to the Tailwind Play, and over here you can play around the tailwind, like how it worked without having to go through the installation and the configuration. So over here you can see this is the HTML part, and they have the CSS, and here is the configuration. So if you go to the HTML, so this is this is the design they have initially, and you can play around this, like if you want to change the color or like the font and everything, you can just play around this and you can instantly see the result on the right side. So if I change this background color from 100 to 7, oops, 7, you can see it changes the background color. And so you can see this color is the background color is gradient. So going from the 400, let's do the 200 to 700. So the color changes. So there are a lot of things you can change here to the like a fun. You can do like extra bold, the customizer user, which is this. So just to large. So this is the result of what we have changed right here. So beside this, you can check this in the responsive design. So you can check it very easily, like all the different sides of the screen. And you can change the view top to bottom and the full size. We're doing the half right now, and there is a dark mode and the light mode. Also, like whatever changes, if you want to save like whatever changes you have, you can share. So when you click the share, you get this link. So if you copy this and go to the different browser and paste it, so you will get exactly what you created. So if you want to like change entire thing and start from the beginning, if you want to build something like on your own, you can do that as well. This is pretty much for this video, but if you want to learn more about the Tailwind Play, I will provide the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.